sabi nila ito yun, to own a condo unit. But I don't think he has to own one. They have a house, to plant a tree, and to write a book. If you see him now, perhaps he has two, house and a book. He needs to do one thing, to find a wife.
Ay, ayaw.
Ang magagalit ay ang kanyang mama.
Nagpo-protesta. May nagpo-protesta.
Okay. Well, as Father Brett has been saying, this is the product of the devotion of praise to Saint Joseph. And I would believe that because he grew up with Santuario de San Jose.
Yes.
And it is not only growing up with Santuario, but he served and continuously serving Santuario de San Jose. That's why if this is a product of his devotion, this is also an offering to our patron Saint Joseph, coming from his heart itself. That's why we are very thankful also that he has done this, because we know this speaks rightly of who we are. Actually, if you look at that book, as Oblates of Saint Joseph, we will be challenged. Why? Because we are named after Saint Joseph, or we are Oblates of Saint Joseph, and yet we have not written anything. We have written some articles, but a book that specializes on Saint Joseph, personally I don't have one. But we have here Chris offering us Josephology. Okay? And I know this will help us in understanding Saint Joseph, and this will help us understanding our faith. Kaya personally, I endorse also this book. Why? Because that will make our life easy.
Yes.
We need
Amen.
not to speak more, but you simply have to read. Okay? Read the book and you will understand St. Joseph. Susundot na lang po kami sa aming homily. Okay? When you have this book, I know you will also be encouraged to appreciate the person of Saint Joseph, relating it to the life of Jesus and Mary.
Thank you,
That's
Peter.
why, Chris,
Kita niya na
congratulations.
tumayo siya.
I know, you still have a
Tumayo
long
siya
way
talaga.
to go.
Yeah. Yeah.
But again, a man, in order to be happy, unless he is a religious and a priest, he has to look for one. You have already two. Okay? Kaya yan si mami mo.
Kailan pa
Because when you are there already, I know he will be the most, he'll be the happiest person. Unless you will enter MMSJ.
Oo.
Unless you go with the
Prophetic
OSJ.
daw yan, sabi ko.
Depends on you. No. That's how it is. That's how life is. Okay? Ayok na si mami mo.
Hindi pa.
Pailigan na lang. MMSJ or OSJ?
Yes. Yes.
And the
Yes.
other one? Have a wife.
Ay! Father, hindi ako payag doon.
Ito yun. Okay. Well, again, thank you for your presence. Thank you.